Welcome back to another Outlook video, man. Oh my god, man, I missed this. I went for a 2 weeks break. I'm just coming back now, man. GG. Oh my god, GG was dealing with me back to back. I was having my ass beaten by GG back to back to back. I had to stop, man. I had to just chill and take a break, man. I had 2 weeks break and I'm back like I never left, man. Woo. So this is just going to be like a short rundown on both GG and Gold, the outlook for next week. What happened on GG was this resistance, right? GG was just giving me both bearish bars and bullish bars on this resistance. Now after price doing everything he wants it wants to do, we finally broke above it, and that was what I was supposed to wait for, either a break above or a drop below. That was what I was supposed to wait for, because normally this kind of price action on the lower time frame, right? Once I'm at a resistance, I don't trade. I'll just wait for price to continue retracing down for me to get a new higher low. You get, either for price to, like, from this zone, since we're just at this zone, price to just drop down for me to get a new higher low, continue buying, or for price to break above on a lower time frame. That's what I would normally do, but this was happening on weekly and daily time frame. So I was trying to trade on both time frames, and I was just getting my ass cooked, man. I was just getting cooked, but I just waited for price to either break above or below. Now that its price have broken up, I'm seeing where my mistake is from that. I think after this drop here, I should have stopped trading. In fact, here, after this buy, this push up to this zone, I should have stopped trading and just waited for price to either drop to make a higher low or break above it. That's what. So all this price action, I was not supposed to trade on this price action. But it is what it is. We learn and we get better. But I'm back, sure. So I'll just run down through what I'm seeing right now. So right now we've made a higher high. So this bullish structure, and we've made a higher high, broken above this strong resistance that we had. This is a strong resistance on the monthly time frame. So yeah, on the monthly time frame, you can see this resistance, very strong resistance. So I wasn't supposed to trade on this resistance, but it is what it is. So broken above the resistance on the weekly time frame now, which is nice. If you go down to daily time frame, what I'm expecting for price to do is for price to retrace. So now on the daily time frame, as you can see, we've made a high. This is a higher high. So this is a higher low, push all the way up to make a higher high. So from this higher high, potentially I see price dropping. Maybe it might drop all the way down to this, I don't know, but I'm just waiting for a new higher low zone. I'm just waiting for a new higher low because this is a retracement. So I'm just waiting for a new higher low zone, and where I'm getting that higher low zone will be on the 2 hour time frame. So after the retracement, after this retracement, price should look for a zone between this zone. I think between all these zones from here down, between here to here, for we to get a new higher low. That's if price wants to continue bullish here. So how do we know if a particular zone is a new higher low? We're going to get a double bottom, either a double bottom, a switch of structure, or an inverted head and shoulder. So as price is dropping, I see price even dropping all the way down to this zone. Maybe potentially from this zone you see something like this, like a double bottom. Then you know, okay, price wants to use this zone as a new higher low, then you buy to this daily high. Also, if we get maybe an inverted head and shoulder, so maybe something like this, boom boom, inverted head and shoulder, then we buy, targeting this high. Now I'm not saying this is the zone price is going to use as a higher low zone. I'm not saying this is this zone. Price could want to use any zone around here. So it can be here, it can be below it can be, price might even drop down to this zone. So I'm just waiting for prices to be done with this retracement. Give me a reversal pattern, and from the reversal pattern I'm going to buy to this high here. So yeah, that's as simple as this. That's it on GG. Now going to gold. Now gold is looking the way I'm seeing gold, it's looking like gold might go up to all-time highs from this zone. It's looking like it. It's looking like it. But anyways, we at a support. I see here these weekly support, right? And rejected off of the at supports last, that's upper week. You see these the bullish candle, rejection candle rather. So this candle rejected off of this zone, respected this support zone. So now going down to daily time frame. On daily time frame, I'm also seeing both a double bottom and also an inverted head and shoulder. So this is a double bottom here. This the double bottom, and now we are having this inverted head and shoulder. So this is left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. And we've rejected off of this right shoulder. So since we rejected off of this right shoulder, this is signifying to us that okay, potentially from this zone, we should see price go all the way up to this high. So potentially we'll see price go all the way up to 4331. As soon as market is opening, I'm just going to wait a little bit to see what price action price prints, and I think I'm going to enter longs immediately on gold here. Here, hold up to that high here, and the position should be looking like this, something like this. Then SL will be this, then TP with this. So it's like a 1 to 2 around that, around a 1 to 2 this to the word, something like that. Yeah. So if you also go down to the 2-hour time frame, you also see that we've made reversal patterns. So this reversal pattern is just signifying to us that okay, price wants to use the zone as a new higher low zone, and it's on 4,000, which is very strong psychological zone. So we on 2-hour you have an inverted head and shoulder here to see inverted head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We push all the way up, make this first leg, then we retrace down. So this is a retracement. This drop here, this drop here is a retracement. Boom, this drop from here, retracement. Now retracement, what you do is you wait for price to give you a reversal pattern, which will signify that okay, price wants to use a particular zone as a new higher low, and which is what we got. We got a switch of structure. So this drop to make this lower high here. This is a lower high and a lower low here. Boom. Then we broke above this last lower low. Then we push all the way up to make this high, drop down to come back. We came back to the last lower high zone, which is a switch of structure pattern. I know you guys know the pattern. So from this zone, we rejected off of this zone. You see this 2-hour candle that rejected off of it. So potentially we should see price push all the way up. Firstly, I think first take profit will be around this zone here, this high, then from there up to here. So yeah, that's it basically, both on gold and on GJ. I'll be uploading now more regularly. I think I'm done with the whole break, and I'm like fully back, man. Fully back. Let's get to this bag. Let's recover. Inshallah, by God's grace, we'll recover. Yeah. Have a wonderful week, guys.